Hello IG Garage family, is your check engine light on and you're seeing the P0037 error code? What does P0037 mean? The P0037 code stands for ho2s heater control circuit low, bank 1 sensor 2. Symptoms of P0037, check engine light on, poor fuel economy, failed emissions test, slight hesitation or rough idle. Common causes of P0037. 1. A faulty heated oxygen sensor, bank 1 sensor 2. 2. A blown fuse or bad relay in the heater circuit. 3. Wiring damage, frayed, corroded, or disconnected wires. And 4. A faulty ECM, which is a rare but possible issue. Where is the heated oxygen sensor, bank 1, sensor 2, located? Oxygen sensor 2, bank 1, is located after the catalytic converter on the side where cylinder 1 is positioned. Usually it's found on the exhaust pipe, downstream from the catalytic converter. You may need to access underneath the vehicle, so, use jack stands for safety. Wiring harness and fuse box. Follow the wiring from the sensor to locate any disconnections, corrosion or damage, and check your vehicle's fuse box for a blown O2 heater fuse. Check the wiring and fuses. Inspect for burnt, broken, or loose wires. Locate and replace any blown fuses. Test the oxygen sensor heater circuit. Use a multimeter to check for voltage and resistance in the sensor heater circuit. Replace the heated oxygen sensor. If the sensor is damaged or non-functional, replace it with a new one. Use anti-seize compound to prevent rusting. Reset the check engine light. Clear the code with an obdii scanner and test drive the vehicle. So that's everything you need to know about P0037, ho2s heater control circuit low, bank 1, sensor 2. If your check engine light is on, start by checking the sensor, wiring, and fuse box. Before you go, don't forget to check out these related videos, P014002, sensor circuit no activity, and P0222, throttle position sensor low input. Hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss a fix from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.